Understanding cleaning the oven, a practical guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, cleaning the oven. This is a common phrase in English, often used in everyday conversation and in various contexts. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your fluency in English. So, let's dive in. Firstly, let's understand the literal meaning. Cleaning the oven refers to the process of removing dirt, grime, and food residue from an oven. This is a household chore and involves using cleaning products and tools to make the oven clean and hygienic for cooking. It's a common task in many homes around the world. Interestingly, this phrase can also be used figuratively. In a figurative sense, cleaning the oven might be used to represent clearing up a mess or solving a complex problem. For example, in a business context, someone might say, "We need to spend the week cleaning the oven," implying they need to sort out some complicated issues in the office. In different English-speaking cultures, cleaning the oven can have slightly different connotations. For instance, in some places, it might be seen as a tedious but necessary task, reflecting a broader cultural attitude towards household chores. Additionally, there are variations in the phrase, like oven cleaning, or giving the oven a good scrub. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. I spent my Sunday cleaning the oven. It was long overdue. Here, it's used in the literal sense. 2. Our team is cleaning the oven this week, trying to fix the budgeting issues. This is an example of the figurative usage. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of cleaning the oven in both its literal and figurative senses. Remember, phrases like these can add color and depth to your English communication. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.